Good morning, my crafty friends. Here to share with you some more of my altered paper clips. Posted these this morning and I've gotten quite a few comments. So I'm going to try to do a quick tutorial. These are kind of like a 3D little paper clip, and it has some dangles on it. And I'm going to show you really quick what I used. I have these prints, these that I used, and basically I take this and I cut out the word tiles, and I use, let me get my scissors here, I'll just do a quick one. I already did one to kind of show you really quick, but I'm going to do one so you can see, and I don't want to mess up my flower, so I'm going to cut that off. So the first punch I used is a Stampin' Up! Punch. And it's got this. I got it for $3.99 at the Goodwill, would you believe? Great find. And I'm going to pop this in here because I want to make a little tile out of the top part of this tag. And it's just decorative. And then I'm going to take my word tile. Sorry, I'm going to try to keep in frame here. Cut that off. You're going to trim it. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to ink it. On the butterfly, I just took and fussy cut the butterfly. And just because this has got a line on it, just make your own butterfly wings. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just cut it down around. And I find when I'm fussy cutting, the quicker I go, the less picky I am. And now I have the components to my charm. So what I'm doing is I have a 6x6 piece of pattern paper, and I have a 2-inch ruffle punch. And I'm just going to cut 2 inches, or yeah, 2 inches. Duh, Trina. Two circles. This is what your paper clip's going to get sandwiched in between. Then you're going to put that down. You're going to have your butterfly. You're going to have your word tile is just 1 ply. You want to put this on cardstock so you have 2 ply because you're going to punch a hole in it. Same with this. You're going to punch another one of these out of cardstock so you can punch a hole in it. It'll be 2 ply. Punch a hole here, here, and here. You're going to have 3 jump rings. Your paper clip's going to be there, and you have an altered paper clip with a dangle. And I know this is a quick video, but I wanted to get this out there to you guys. And this is the next set that I'm working on. Just playing with stuff that I have. So basically I am just going to layer things. I already had these tags that I made with some embossing folders. I got my 2 circles. I cut out some more butterflies. Found some old Tim Holtz pens. The light bulb pens, charms. These are going to be altered paper clips with dangles. And you've all seen my doily tuck spots. So I'm just trying to inspire, trying to have fun on my end as well, because I love to create. And you can use anything to make these altered paper clips. I'm even thinking about, I have this Anna Griffith little envelopes, and it comes with ribbons, paper clips, and flowers, but you can take and punch like the circles out of maybe the envelope, fussy cut around these, maybe hook a paper clip to it, glue it to a paper clip, and still be able to attach it to your book. There's all kinds of ideas. I mean, we all have the boxes of tidbits, odds and ends. I found a piece of paper this morning that I thought about taking this, cut out these, make like the ATC paper clips that I've been making, and then take like this here with a little saying, punch a hole in it, and dangle below it, or dangle this below it. I mean, you can do all kinds of ideas as far as depending on what you have in your stash. So again, you know, just get your stash out, get your little odds and ends out, and just start layering them and seeing what you come up with. And like I said, these here, I'll get you the name of the site that these came off of, because they're absolutely gorgeous. And again, these are my little cuties that I made last night. I absolutely love them, and they're on the Paperclips. So I hope you enjoy, and happy crafting. Thank you for watching.